Alrighty, Dawn here. We've got your 427 full walk forward on the dyno. Give you descriptions, combinations. Got our cylinder head on it. Got a aluminum block on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Victor Jr. Quick fuel carburetor. MSD Pro Billet. Valve covers. Front sump oil pan. You want to make one? Stitch does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3,600, 491 foot-pounds of torque. Second peak's torque, 544, really flat in there, 43, 43, 43, 44, 42. It's nice. Peak's horsepower, 565. We're at 575, front end's about 15, so they're again good. 62, 63, 63, 65, 64, good and flat. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card, full of technical information. Got your engine dyno video on engine build specifications, other tech stuff. Highly recommend watch it. On the engine will be this tag. Have your engine number, some other things on it. That number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got the QR code. That'll take you some more other tech stuff. So I highly recommend watch it all. Have a great day.